Mk7 production.
That's a video. So in today's video we're just going to be changing the inside air filter, not the inside cabin one there, just the air filter, this one here, okay? Right, very simple. There'll be 8 screws, okay? 8 screws, and all you're going to need is a T25, okay? So the first one is there. Let me get my glasses off because I can't see. Right, first one's there, see? Oh wait, I fucking got it on something. Loosen him out. Did you see him, see?
I can't see.
You zoom in, you bastard, you got a fucking thingy?
But I can't see, I think they can see.
What you on about?
Yeah,
there we go, it's right there anyway. They all look the same. And the second one here, get him out. This here? See, pay attention. Look, where am I now? You be quick with it. Pay attention, okay?
This focus is shit.
What do you mean? Bang on that.
Quicker.
No, hell. You gotta zoom it properly, see, don't mess about. Right, another one here. Another one there. And then they won't come out. Once they're all like that, you just lift up. Okay? Pretty much there. Okay? Look at that, magic. Thank God that much. Alright, that. Right, let me just get a thumbnail. Right. Got the thumbnail. There we go. Just the difference there. But look at them. See the difference, see? Which one's the new one? Bloody idiot you are. Pay attention. Right, not that many leaves to be honest. One leaf there. Yeah, alright that. Bang on that much. Bang on that. Sitting in. Right. And then putting it back on. As easy as this, see. Turn that setting down. You can rip it. Heavy handed, yeah? Heavy handed. Yeah, no. There we go. All of them, yeah. Right, that's that pretty much. Cheers for watching. See you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick. Nah, nah, nah. Tell them I'm a different kind of chick.